Hi, Missing Voices on the road. We're here in Cardiff. Project on the road. I'm here in beautiful Brecon. Another new place. We're in Gelli in Rhondda. I'm glad to be down in Milford Haven at the Pill Social Centre. You can see behind me. Milford Haven in Pembrokeshire today, and also to Troedero in Merthyr. So I was in Hirwaun yesterday and Ebbw Vale, and now the weather's changed, and so has the location, and we're here in my stag, the northwest of Wales in beautiful Criccieth. From Dwyfo Meirionydd here to Tawyn in Clwyd West. We're here in Coleg Cambria in Wrexham, going to Society Cymru, here in Hafod in the wonderful city of Swansea, to speak to as many people as possible. So here I am in Hirwaun, in the Cynon Valley. Go West, the song says. So we have Missing Voices on the road. We have gone west. We're in Carmarthen. I've arrived in Aberystwyth. The heavens have opened and it's tipping down the road. I am in the Bread of Heaven Cafe in Pontypool. Just a little bit of a request. If you're watching this, if you've watched any of the other films, then please could you do the survey for our Missing Voices project? Could you share it? Could you retweet it? Could you pass it on? Could you cajole and mither people to fill it in? I think it's going to come into a close in the next couple of weeks. So please support the project, get it out there. The more people we hear from, the better it's going to be.